siguro ako, I will be a member as chairman of the Maritime Committee. So that the necessity for that is because we have to really have a new map. NAMRIA has to have a new map. And I would like to correct NAMRIA.
Okay.
There is no need for an implementing rules to be crafted for them to start mapping.
Oo.
The law itself is enough.
Yeah.
So yung NAMRIA, sasabihan ko na, huwag mo na hintayin yung IRR, matagal pa yon. So the oversight committee would probably have the following functions. Ensure that the maps are properly charted. 2, ensure that the entitlements are properly claimed. 3, ensure that the necessary legal consequences are properly and positively implemented. For instance, our rights to conduct scientific maritime research,